Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to block a certain seller or freelancer in Fiverr. So let's say that he had some arguments with a freelancer or seller here on Fiverr. There were arguments, misunderstandings, and they just want to block them and not see them again on the recommendation page or something. So Fiverr actually has a guide on how to block certain freelancers here. So as you may know, freelancers can choose to stop their communications with customers, and in turn you have the option to block all communication and orders from certain freelancers as well. So you here below to block a freelancer. 1. Navigate yourself to the freelancer's user profile page. Next is click block, select a reason from the list, and click on submit. And here, notes, you can also block a freelancer by using the report a message tool, as in your inbox. Once a freelancer is in block, they will not be able to communicate or place an order with you, and the blocked freelancer would be unable to view your profile, and you may choose to unblock and do so by clicking unblock. So just follow all these steps, like navigate yourself to the freelancer's profile page and click on block, select reason, and just go through all that and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.